Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a hitch on my 2003 Kia Spectra. Let's get started. Alright, so after you get everything out of the box, you'll notice that it comes with some instructions. They're pretty detailed. It's got step-by-step on them. Comes with all the mounting hardware, the bolts and everything. And here's the actual hitch. It mounts in 4 spots. There's one right there, there's a hole right there, and 2 holes up here. So first what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take out this spare tire cover here. Just yank it out of there. Set that aside. And just start taking everything else out. This jack out of here. I believe that unscrews. And you just pull it out. There's that. Okay. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your jack and just jack it up from the back. Make sure you lift it on a point that's solid and not gonna rust through or be soft. And just get it to a height where you can work underneath it. Alright, so next what you're going to see me do is you fit the hitch up underneath and you line it up so it's centered with the bumper as close as you can get it. And then you're going to want to take a Sharpie and poke through the holes and mark where you're going to drill through. And just start out with a pilot bit and then work your way up to the bit. That's the size of the bolts that they will fit through. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want to do is get all your bolts with your washers and your mounts and stuff, and you're just going to want to push them through the holes that you drilled. I got that one already through. So this one goes back in the back here. It just slides right in there. This one goes in that hole. And this plate. Alright, so now you're going to want to go underneath, get this up onto these mounting bolts down here. So what you'll do, you'll just lift this up, fit it into the bolts, and they'll just drop down in. And then you'll get your nuts and just thread them on there, start them on there. Alright, so for some weird reason this this plate here won't line up with this hole because it goes on this corner. And so I'm just moving it over, and I marked a spot. I don't know if you can see it right there. I marked a spot to drill a hole. So it's just gonna move it over a little bit. And then this mounts to the body. This mounts to the hitch. Right, so always center punch your holes first before you drill them. This makes it a lot easier to do. Okay. I always start by drilling a pilot hole because it's a lot quicker than starting with the biggest bit that you have. And it's never a bad idea to use cutting oil, but I didn't this time just because I'm in a hurry. Alright, now that you got the hole cut, you just stick it in, slide it through, grab your bigger nut over here, and just get her on there. Alright, now you're also going to have to drill out these holes, so I'm going to do that real quick here. Okay. Grab the bolts over here. Slide these through. Oops. Flop them through there. Grab your little nuts and put them on there. Alright, now we have to torque the nuts and bolts down, but this recommends 50 to 30 foot-pounds on the smaller ones. But don't need that. I just get my big Harbor Freight tool here, stick her on, and give her about 5 or 6 good ooga-doogas. Alright, once you got all of them torqued down, then you can grab your favorite color spray paint. Legend has it that the red adds horsepower, but I got black, so. And we'll just spray these nuts and bolts for some rust protection. That's pretty much OEM right there. That one good. That one too. Oh yeah. She ain't rusting. Let's get some good coverage under there. Alright, once you got that all done, you just drop her down. Look at that nice hitch. Oh yeah. I'd say that's a professional install right there. Alright, once you get everything tightened down and it's all ready to go, just make sure you put your spare tire back in, your carpet, all your tools, and you're good to go. Thank you guys for tuning in. Catch you in the next episode.